going on, YouTube? Got some bad news, We had one cold night, went down to 26 degrees. I lost a plant. This one survived. It's a little beat up, a little yellowy, but it survived. Unfortunately, for this one, it did not. So what today I'm going to do, and my strawberries took a hit too. They got a little yellow. I had to turn back on the heat, so now it's a little better. But strawberries doing good. Got a little yellow on some of them, and I'm gonna repot that right now. My carrot starch, I'm still waiting on them. It came up, but I think it dried out a little bit. I gotta be on top of things. But let's get to taking this up and repotting it. Okay, let's see. Let's take this up. There's not a lot of roots. You can't eat them while they're on the branches, and they're actually too small. They're green. Let's see what one look like. They're green and small. They really didn't ripen. They really didn't ripen. So we're gonna get rid of this. And we're gonna add either one or two. You decide. Let me know if you pick the one that I picked in the comments. I think this one's a little leggy, so I'm going to go for that one. Dig a deep hole. This right here is some mycorrhizing. Develops root systems, roots. This makes for long, luscious root development to give the plant a start. Oh, I should have watered this. A little bit more mycorrhizing on it. And he's there. I'm gonna give that little extra water. That was rainwater. Okay, we'll give you an update on the new ground cherry. Today is Friday, March 7th. Friday, March 7th. Put it in a big pot. It was November 7th, 30 days ago when I planted that. And let's hope this not happen again. No more frost days, man. No more frost days. Keep in mind, do an update on my figs. Took a beating. But the brown cherries looking good right here. That one is okay. And my sugar cane is okay. Well, again, this one will be fruiting soon. I'm going to try to doctor this a little bit. Get the leaves that are having problems. Because all that'll do is create bad energy, and it don't make the plant look good. All damaged pieces get cut. Anything that looks sickly gets cut. That's not gonna heal up. It's gonna get worse before it gets better. That's gonna get worse before it gets better. Now you don't want to cut all the leaves because you need some of the leaves in order to fruit. So it makes it look a little better. Alright, cabbage is starting to form a ball. And again, my tomato plant, my wild tomato plant, looked like it took a beating too with that cold weather. Hopefully it bounced back. And this lemon tree, I keep getting a little lemon, and then that little one, and then it will fall off. Anybody tell me what's going on with that? And my hidden pineapple plant right here. Yeah. I'm gonna cut that flower. And I don't know what that flower is, but we're gonna just let that go until I repot. Alright, we get an update on the newly planted ground cherries. And we're gonna give you an update on we can get these strawberries to bounce back luscious green with this heat. And we're out. Bing!